bought 2 lip products from FLOERRW and 2 from Flortte, and let's try them on today. I will start from Flortte because one is supposed to be a perfect base, especially if you have slightly darker lip color itself. Use this as a base, then top up with your preferred lipstick is reflecting the true color of the lipstick you use. So I start from Flortte. These two, the packaging wise, these two are very similar, but one is more like frosted and one is like a mirror reflection, glossy reflection, but both of them actually matte. And the base color I've chosen is 02. It's more warm tone base. I think the most popular one is the cool tone base, slightly more berry pink paddle base. But I think my skin tone probably goes better with the more warm tone one. And the other liquid lipstick is one of their new one. My color is B02. It has glitter in there. So this is the base color. Fairly light, very like a nude, which is good, as it's supposed to be the base. And this, I don't know whether you guys can see, there are tiny little sparkles in there. Tiny little sparkle. As usual, zoom you in. Let's start from the base. It has a very lovely candy sweet smell. Oh look, it has that feeling. I quite like the color as a base. You see, it's similar like you pat with a foundation. Couple of things. First impression base. It does emphasize your lip lines. Look. But it's very comfortable to wear. It's very lightweight. It doesn't feel like lip matte something sits heavily on your lip or glued it on. You don't feel that. Hey, to be honest, as a base color, I quite like it. When you see these swatches, see, I think it has slightly different. I thought they're going to be a little bit more orangeness showing. It actually not. As a base color is good. Okay, that's top up with this one then, B02. And this one has that milky candy smell as well. Very delicious. Let me show you guys. It has like tiny flaky glitters on there. I'm not sure whether this one is because of the base color. It seems lighter color showing on the lip on top of the base color. But to be honest, this is my perfect nude. This type of color is like nude. In terms of the little glitter, it's a bit unnecessary. It is tiny reflection, but at the same time it doesn't make the finish looks high class, if you know what I mean. It's like you dusted with cheap eyeshadow glitter on top of it, so it doesn't enhance the product, it doesn't enhance the result, hence I feel it's unnecessary. The color itself is pretty. You know what, let me just remove half of it with the base color, then just try the color on its own just to see the pigmentation. The actual color is actually darker than this one. Can you guys see? On this side is actually the true color of B02. And let me get closer. You see the sparkle better. The base seems to just tone it down quite a lot. This one actually showing more brown red. To be honest, I don't mind both colors. I think are fine. But if you buy this one as a base, probably need to be careful that this may tone down the actual lip color itself. Then I tried this too from FLOERRW. FLOERRW 2 collections I haven't actually tried. This is a lip gloss, I suppose, but the color is G01. It's very cute. Little heart on the top. This type of design, to be honest, if you don't use good quality of the plastic and if you don't add the weight, it's easy to look and feel cheap and cheerful. But FLOERRW knows this one is not. When you actually receive it, it looks better than I presented in front of the camera. And this, I really like this design. If you like the Gucci lipstick, it has that feel, and the material is very, very similar. It has very detailed print on there as well. Little rabbit. And my color is M05. Inside is the slim lip tube. Oh, it's very silky smooth. Silky smooth. When you glide it on, you literally feel slippery. But the color, this lip gloss is more nude. I think would look nice with the Flortte's lip mud. So this is the lip gloss. Nude base, coral color. And this one is this. It's smoky paddle berry, but has a little bit like watermelon red in there. I will do this first. Oh, the pigment is good as well. Not my cup of tea, this color. What's the number? G05. Looks a little bit luminous on me, and it's kind of sucking the lights surround my mouth and make my mouth area looks darkened. Personality clash. Doesn't match me. Oh, let's change to FLOERRW lip gloss. The lip gloss seems not a high pigment, so let's see. Very watery, very lightweight. It's very soft, ladylike. Very, very lightweight. When you glide it on, you literally feel like a light water essence. Glide it on is very, very nice experience of applying it. And once it's set for a few seconds, it gets a little bit thicker, but it's not thick in terms of like a lip gloss in a way. It's still very lightweight. You don't actually feel too much. But I can tell this won't last long for this formulation as well, and it's not a high coverage though, because my lip color itself is light and I covered with foundation on the edges. The coverage I would say is about 60 to 70%. With this type of lip gloss, we all need to be careful that it does fade out from middle, and the color you will feel it starts squeezing out towards the edges. The edges will remain nice and slightly darker color in comparison to the middle, especially if you talk a lot. But I think this gloss, G01, would be a nice topper. The color itself is fairly nude and a little bit transparent, so it would be nice to dot on top of it to make your lip more plumped. Hope you liked today's video. If you do click the like button, and most importantly to subscribe my channel. I will see you on my next video.